Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Canva website templates step by step. So if you want to create a portfolio, business website, landing page, or personal site without starting from scratch, yeah, Canva templates can save you a lot of time. First, open Canva in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be ready to browse website templates. Now use the search bar and type website. So Canva will show different website template categories you can customize. Next, choose a template that matches your project or brand style. Business sites, portfolios, and landing pages usually have different layouts. You can also add buttons that connect to websites, social media accounts, or contact forms. Clickable elements help visitors interact with your website. Before publishing, always preview the site on both desktop and mobile screens. This helps you check spacing, readability, and overall layout. When everything looks good, click Publish Website. So Canva gives you the option to use a free Canva domain or connect your own custom domain. After publishing, you can share your website link anywhere and update the design whenever needed. Yeah, Canva automatically updates the live version after republishing, and that's basically how to use Canva website templates from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to build clean and professional websites much faster.